Okay, here we are back in the big exhibit hall, the auditorium. This is Chauvet. We're going to go in and take a look at some of the new stuff. Walk around inside. We've got some new products they're going to show us. Here's our guy right here.
Hey.
Hey, how's it going? This is Alan.
How you doing?
From Chauvet. We're going to look at some new products today. What do you got for us?
Sure. Actually, right here in front of me, we have the new X series. We start off with the Derby X. It's been around for quite some time now, but we've added more to the series. We have the Quinta X and also the Double Derby X down here.
Okay.
All three units are linkable with the X bracket. It allows you to physically mount the fixtures together, which is awesome because you know you go to concerts and you see speaker arrays that are just huge stacks of speakers.
The lighting array.
But now you got them in lights.
Now are these LED products?
All three of these are LED powered. The Quinta X and the Double Derby X are high powered LEDs. There's three 3-watt LEDs inside.
3-watt LEDs?
Correct.
That's bright.
It's very bright. You also have power linking on the outside, and you know what? I've been there myself, DJ, mobile gigs, throwing stuff in the back of my car. At 5 pounds a piece, these things are gonna fly.
Let me ask you something about your power linking. Oh, here comes some fog. Do you include the cables when you ship the products for power linking?
Yes. The only thing that you need to have for power linking is the standard IEC or the Edison plug that comes with each product.
Oh, you even send that along with it?
Absolutely.
Nice. So it's everything you need. All you need is a DMX controller and some music and away you go.
You don't even need a DMX controller, but if you want to program them, you can.
You can do master slave.
You can absolutely do master slave. So right out of the box, you get everything you need to show up on site, pull it out, and plug it in, and you're good to go.
I want to take a look at the back panels on these and see what we got going on here, just to kind of introduce people to what we've got going on. Yeah, we got the regular standard power cable power linking on these as well, right?
Correct. And here's your power input, and here's your power output. So as you can see here, we're daisy chaining from fixture to fixture on the bottom. So this bottom one gets its electricity, then the middle one plugs into the bottom one, and you keep going. So a single power cord plugs them all in.
Nice. And are these available now?
These are available, I believe, coming in March. The Derby X is available now with the Quinta X and the Double Derby X, which are the two new fixtures to the X series line. Those are coming in just a few months.
Excellent. What else you got for us today?
Let's take a look at the 4-bar. That's new for the Namm show.
Right over here, huh?
Yeah, here we have the 4-bar. I'm going to put it down so I'm not blinding myself in the face here.
Yeah, sunglasses or something.
This is an all-in-one package. What you're getting here is the 4 part cans, the T-bar, the tripod, the foot switch all the way on the ground, and also a carrying case for the pars, and also a carrying case for the tripod. So you can literally walk into your gig carrying 2 bags, and you have an entire DMX controlled light show right out of the box in about 15 seconds of setup time.
Okay, I'm going to zoom in here and just look a little closer. Are these 10mm diodes you got in here?
They are 10mm LEDs, gives you a nice rich beam of saturated colors, anywhere from 1 to 16.7 million colors. If you choose to use some DMX, it's built right into this unit.
And I challenge anybody out there to count them.
Yeah, I can't count past 7.
And name them. That would be even more fun.
Yeah, and on the back side of here, let's come around to the back. You've got your built-in microphone for sound activity.
Right on.
We've got a digital display to set all of your settings.
Nice.
Your DMX input and output, your sound sensitivity, and even your connector for your foot switch.
Nice.
So right out of the box, you have an entirely great LED lighting package on a tripod. You can elevate it as high as you want, and it's just, you're ready to go.
That'd be really nice for bands and DJs both.
Absolutely.
What's the street price on that? Do you know?
Don't quote me yet, but I believe it's $399.99.
$399.99.
And that includes everything that we just spoke about.
Nice. And when is this available?
This is going to be available, I believe, at the same time as the X series, mid-March.
Okay, mid-March. Everything's mid-March.
Yeah, pretty much.
Not available mid-March. That's what NAMM stands for.
Yeah.
All right.
That was good. So what else? How about we show you the pin spot?
Excellent.
LED pin spot. Let's come on this way. Here it is. The largest dimension is 3.9 inches, and it weighs less than 3/4 of a pound. And you can see it fits in pretty much the palm of my hand.
Right.
And in our catalog, we're actually showing this actual size. So if you're not here at the show, which obviously you're watching the video, you're not, but you can see it in our catalog actual size.
Nice.
And it's using a single 3-watt LED.
3-watt LED.
That's driven at 650 milliamps, which is extremely bright.
Right.
And it's also
that is very bright.
8,500 degrees Kelvin, so it's a very white light source. So if you have a regular pin spot and you throw this up next to it, this is going to appear even that much brighter because it doesn't have that yellow tint to it like a halogen auto-switching lamp dots.
Nice. Yeah, these are really nice. The single big giant diode LED, I think, are the way of the future.
And take a look at the actual output. It's 9 degrees.
Nice.
Very, very narrow. And that's going to give you a huge throw distance for the LED pin spot.
So, my feet are small, so point of reference. Very nice. And mid-March?
Yeah, approximately.
Mid-March. Everything's mid-March.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right.
We're saying that it might be a little bit earlier, but
right on.
It's going to be a problem.
Just to be safe.
Yeah, so that's the LED pin spot. It's new.
Excellent.
And it's also auto switching, so you can use these overseas if you need to.
Oh, nice.
Anywhere from 100 volts all the way up to 240 volts, it's no problem.
Now, when you say auto switching, that just means don't worry about it, plug it into the wall, it works itself out, or does that mean you got to flip a switch?
No switches to flip. Anywhere from 100 volts, let's say you get a power surge, to 230 volt, the fixture is fine. It automatically adjusts to whatever voltage you throw at it, anywhere between 100 and 240.
So all of you people in places like Australia, New Zealand,
yeah,
even in Europe, if you see something here available only in America, buy it and bring it home. It'll be all right.
As long as it says auto switching, you're good to go.
As long as it says auto switching, right on. All right, Alan, what's this?
This is the Q-Spot 150 LED. This is brand new. It's a prototype here we have at the Namm show. And basically what you see here is a moving head that's powered with a single 20-watt LED.
20-watt LED.
One 20-watt LED. And take a look at the output up here in white. Very nice and crisp. Oh, my head's in the way.
That is.
Nice and crisp. You have a color wheel. You have a slot and lock gobos. You also have a 3-sided prism.
And rotating gobos.
Wow!
Is that out of the same light?
It's out of the same light.
I thought there were 3 of them on the wall for a second.
Just one.
That is really cool. And this is a prototype.
This is a prototype for right now. And one other thing that makes it so unique, a lot of people like to change out their gobos.
Right on.
And you have to open up the fixture to do that.
Right.
But with the Q-Spot 150 LED, there's 2 notches on the top. And these 2 notches will squeeze together on the final shipping version.
Okay.
This will come straight off, and it gives you access to both gobo wheel and color wheel right there.
So you can do custom gobos in this thing, theoretically. You should be able to do custom gobos.
Custom gobos.
And they'll rotate.
Any tools. That's the kicker. You don't need a screwdriver to get out your gobo
Just
wheel.
pop it out.
Just pop the cover
in
off.
and out. So you could do custom congratulations, Peter and Sally.
I love Alan.
And it rotates.
Anything.
And it changes. How many colors? Is it an 8-color wheel?
I believe it's 7 colors.
7 colors?
But full specifications are
7 colors plus white?
Exactly.
8. There we go.
So 8. Exactly. That's
nice.
the Q-Spot 150 LED coming soon.
Nice. Beautiful. Looking forward to seeing that. That's nice. 20-watt rotating gobos. And
with a 3-sided
interchangeable gobos. Yeah, 3-sided prism. That's when you get the right there, that effect. I think that is really cool. Very nice. Yeah. Tell us about this.
All right. This is the new Hurricane 1800 Flex. It's a new flexible fog machine in our Hurricane line. And what makes it so unique is that the head actually pivots anywhere from straight down, straight out, or even straight up. So you have
could go a 90-degree angle with that.
You could, and it's 180 degrees total.
Wow.
Which is very unique. So if you wanted to put this on the floor and shoot it straight up, kind of like a pyro, you can do that.
Nice.
Or put it on top of your truss and shoot it straight up, you can do that also.
Without worrying about spilling juice and things of that nature.
Here at the show, we have it aiming kind of out and angled down a little bit, outside of the booth, but inside of the booth, we have it facing straight down. There we go.
Oh, there it goes. Look at that.
Straight down. And basically what's inside, you have an output of 30,000 cubic feet per minute, which is astronomical.
That is.
And it's also got built-in DMX. You don't need any adapters or extensions or anything like that. It's got built-in 3-pin and 5-pin connectors.
Nice.
So anybody that's doing a mobile rig that's doing 3 pins, you can use it. Any production guy that's doing 5 pins, it's ready to go. It's also got an LED illuminated tank, so you can see your fluid level from a distance. Yeah. And
so what a lot of people have, they have a fog machine. They've got this clunky remote control. They got to push the button on. Not in this case. You run it right off of your DMX controller?
You can. It does come with one of those clunky DMX controllers.
But you can run it off of your...
I'm sorry, with the regular
controller.
Timer remote? Exactly. Yeah. Or you can run it off DMX without one of those remotes.
That is slick.
It's also got an optional wireless remote control if you want to go wirelessly.
Nice.
You can do that also.
It would just be cool to incorporate this into a show.
Absolutely.
A DMX show. At a certain point of the song that you've programmed the light show for, all of a sudden you get fog.
Yeah, when a drummer's doing a solo or something.
Yeah, nice.
This
nice.
would be perfect. Cool. So this is a Hurricane 1800 Flex. That's new.
Is it available now? Mid-March?
Not yet.
Not available mid-March?
Not yet. It's going to be just a few months.
Not available maybe May.